Having a strong presence here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show is hugely important to us at Everglades. It gives us a chance to display every single one of our boat models, and really this is a very important selling show. We will sell more boats at this boat show than we do any other boat show that we attend, so we love having a strong presence here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. One of the things I love about our booth here is the tremendous amount of socialization space that it provides. It's really important for us to be able to interact with our customers in a more intimate level, and being able to enjoy some comfortable spaces to sit and talk helps them get more comfortable with the dealer and hopefully buy boats.
So I've gotten multiple comments from my friends in the industry and also from customers and owners saying that we have the best booth in the show. We all love boating, we love this on-the-water lifestyle, and Exhibit Craft helped us take that and translate it into this amazing booth that becomes an experience. So it's really great, and I feel like Exhibit Craft is there for us every year to just help elevate this experience and make the booth better every single year.